The administrative process, based on the information from Unit 1, called General Administration of the course called Introduction to Administration of the Digital University of the State of Mexico, the administrative process can be defined as a set of successive phases or stages through which administration is carried out, which are interrelated and form an integral process when any company is managed. There are two phases, one structural from one or more purposes we determine the best way to achieve them, and another operative one, in which the activities that are necessary to achieve what is established during a structuring period are executed. These two phases are called mechanics and dynamics of administration. Administrative mechanics is the theoretical part of the administration in which it is established what must be done, and the dynamics of how to manage the social organism. The administrative process considers the following stages. Stage 1. Planning. It is the stage in which the objectives or goals of the organization are defined, establishing a general strategy to achieve those goals and develop a complete hierarchy of plans to coordinate activities. It deals so much with the ends, what needs to be done, as of the means, how should it be done. Planning defines the direction. The impact of change is reduced, waste is minimized, and criteria used to control are established. It gives direction to managers and the entire organization. Stage 2. Organization. That is defined as the technical structuring of the relations that must exist between the functions, level, and activities of the material and human elements of a social organism, in order to achieve maximum efficiency within the plans and objectives indicated. Organizing is the process to organize and distribute work, authority, and resources among the members of an organization so that they can achieve the goals of the organization. Different goals require different instruction to be able to achieve them. Managers must adapt the structure of the organization to their goal and resources, a process known as organizational design. The organization produces the structure of an organization's relationship, and these structured relationships will serve to realize future plans. The organization, being a final element of the theoretical aspect, collects completely and reaches to its last detail everything that the planning has indicated regarding how a company should be. Stage 3. Address. It is the element of the administration in which the effective realization of the plan is achieved, through the authority of the administration exercised by and decision. It is by this means to obtain the results that have been planned and planned. There are two strata to obtain the result. At the level of execution, workers, employees, and even technicians, it is about making, execute, carry out those activities that will be productive. At the administrative level, that is, that of everyone who is a boss, and precisely as it is about directing, not executing. The boss and such doesn't execute but cause others to execute. They nevertheless have their doing their own. This consists precisely in directing. Stage 4. Control. Management theory defines control as the assessment of the result of the action. To exercise good control, it is convenient for each of the members of the company to control their own effort by analyzing their performance. The control requires a series of activities that aim to compare a current state as a consequence of the action with another planned state. The control allows to determine the difference between two states, which allows to evaluate what has been achieved with respect to the planned objectives. For this, the establishment of timely information system is required in order to correct deviation from the planned goals. Specifically, the control is aimed at detecting the variation or deviation required in its action, in practice rather than the success achieved. The internal control includes the organization plan and all the coordinated system established by the management of an institution to help the management reach the objective of making sure, within practical limits, that the operations are carried out in an orderly and efficient manner.